With the ever-increasing rate of global warming, it becomes more important for us to find ways to continue a lifestyle in an eco-friendly manner. An eco-house is an environmentally low-impact home designed to reduce its carbon footprint while lowering its energy needs. An eco-house has become increasingly popular due to its low maintenance and operations cost. In terms of its effects on the environment, the advantages becomes much clearer. It not only reduces waste but also reduces greenhouse gas emissions. It also helps improve air quality, which can help people who are sensitive or have respiratory diseases such as asthma.
The design of our eco-house is sustainable in terms of energy and farming. The house includes an outdoor garden to maintain a production and supply of food without the owner having to worry about the usage of pesticides. The house applies an open lighting concept with many large windows around the design, as well as skylights to allow daylighting to be utilized to the maximum and control the admission of natural light. Vinyl window frames are used as they are resistant to rust, corrosion, flaking, and infestation of termites or other insects. It also provides additional resistance to heat transfer and insulating air pockets compared to plastic. Less electricity is used. It heats and cools the house and reduces greenhouse gas emissions. We also make use of EcoSense glass when making windows and skylights. EcoSense glass prevents solar radiation from entering, providing a cooling effect for hot weather, and also allows natural light to pass through freely.
We use white paint as it attracts natural light, which subsequently increases the brightness of the house and creates a warm and inviting environment. The paint used is also a non-VOC paint. VOC stands for volatile organic compounds. VOC contains harmful chemicals which lead to several health problems and react to sunlight and nitrogen oxide, resulting in the formation of the ozone layer.
The roof of the house uses composite roof tiles, which are made up of recycled plastics that are molded to mimic their natural counterparts. Composite tiles are made with colors that permeate the tiles and will not fade and weather poorly. It can be worked on for maintenance without the fear of damage. A pipe is installed on the left side of the roof. Rainwater will fall down the angled roof and be collected. The water will then be sent down the pipe into a filter system that can be easily removed to be clean. After being filtered, it is put into a large container on the outside of the house. A hose can be connected to a tap on the basin to help water the garden. The water is also connected to the inside of the house into the kitchen so that the water may be boiled before being consumed. The house runs on two different modes of electricity. The first is by converting sunlight into solar energy with solar panels on top of the house, and the second is by using wind to generate electricity by turning the wind turbines also located on the top of the roof. This is to ensure that there is always a constant supply of energy in case of changes in weather or lack thereof. A solar battery bank is also kept so that the energy can still be supplied without sunlight. During the day, extra power can be generated by solar panels. The extra energy can be stored in the solar battery bank to be used at another time. Multiple wind turbines are situated on the roof to ensure a sufficient output of energy.
Two trees of different heights are located outside of a low window, with the shorter tree further away from the window and the taller tree closer by. When the wind blows, the air travels above the short tree and then below the tall tree through the window. The air will then travel through the house and exit through the ventilation or the skylights located on the roof. This allows for a constant flow of circulation to occur within the house and keep the house cool.